Hello guys, welcome back to KPSI e-learning. So guys, today we will see for the multi-row functions. So guys, before that we will see the simple example for the data guys. We are having employee number, we are having e-name, we are having job, we are having manager details. So manager ID is there. So in our column we are showing that hire date, cell is there, commission is there, department is there. So guys, multi-row functions or group functions, the multi-row functions is then in SQL is used to retrieve data per set of row at the time when we work onto the group by clause. So guys, in simple word, you are having the multiple lines and you want to count, you want the sum, you want the aggregate, those of the conditions. So guys, this scenario we will implement multi-row functions. So guys, here we can see aggregate functions. So guys, it is saying this function will process multiple rows at a time and return one value. So guys, here we can see several kinds of the SQL server is having aggregate functions. So guys, here you can see we are having the sum, we are average. So guys, sum is nothing, finds the sum of values in given expression. So guys, keep it in mind, here you instead of expression you have to use in column your real time. Guys, average, here also you have to use the expression, here you have to give the column. First find the sum and the divide with number of values in the expression. A max expression finds the maximum value in the given expression, guys. So maximum value if you find, we will utilize max. Min expression finds the minimum value in the given expression. Count expression returns number of values in a expression including duplicates. So guys, count will be take all of the data, it will never avoid the duplicate values, keep it in mind. Count, count distinct expression that will be always take the unique values. Suppose we are having the 1250 as the two times, it will be avoid the duplicate. Next, guys, count of a star, that means return number of rows. If your number of rows are more than 8 digit or 9 digit, guys, it will be, we will use the count p. Guys, if you have to do the grouping and whether that number is the either really the 0 or 1, so guys, we have to present this is the group or not. So guys, in this scenario we will returns 0 if there is no group, returns 1 if there is a group data. Guys, points to be recommended. Remember, aggregate function will exclude null values where a select statement is included with aggregate functions along with them right. Expression that returns multiple rows invalid. Aggregate functions cannot be used in where clause. Guys, here in SQL Server, aggregate function cannot be cascaded. Means inside that another aggregate we can't calculate. So guys, select sum cell from EMP. So guys, we will see the first example. So sum. So guys, it is saying the total salary. We will do the similar example for average. So guys, it is returning the average value. Now another example, guys, R1, R2. So guys, here sum, average, count, 3 we want into the same time. So guys, onto the same column. So guys, here you can see that. So guys, total sum value is the 2200, 550 is the your average, and 4 is the your commission value. Now guys, we'll see for the similar base salary, we will see the sum and max value department wise. So guys, we can utilize that where clause to filter only for that, but it must be the aggregate value should be there. Now guys, we see the simple example for the count as well. Select count cell from EMP. So guys, here we can utilize it. Next, guys, select count distinct. Guys, here it will be, you can see that count is coming 14, but guys, now I will do for distinct salary. So we will exclude that duplicate. So guys, here you can see we are having only 12. So guys, means another people are getting the similar value, hence it is avoiding. Next, select count star from EMP. So guys, here you can see that value. We are able to get it. Next guys, we will see the another example guys. You are asking total number of the rows available. To count the record, show sp underscore space used emp. So guys, here exclude emp 1472 kbs I think. So guys, by this way, this is the system defined store procedure sp underscore space used that can be help you to get that. Next guys, select at the rate row count, that will be also return of what is the last value of that. So guys, here we can see that one example I will give you. So suppose I am returning the new value. So another example, just quickly I will come and I will give you the example. What is the best way to utilize you? So guys, here I am writing the query select a star from EMP. So guys, here just I will run this query as well at the rate count. So guys, your above query is returning at the 14 rows and this select at the rate row count will be show you. So guys, here you can see that 7369 and 14. So guys, your upper query is returning you the value at the 14. So here you can see that same output we are getting using the at the rate row count. For your kind information, at the rate row count is nothing. This is the global variable. We'll discuss into the next class for the separate class for the variable. Keep it in mind. Now guys, suppose salesman someone is saying to take the total salary and total employee. So guys, here we can utilize this query. Guys, similar way you can utilize this the group by that I have written into the definition. So guys, department wise we want the total salary and we want total employee. So guys, we can write our query like this way. If you want including the department number and job, so guys, similar way you have to add into the job and department number like this. Hope you get it clearly. So guys, another way to make the alias for your query should be like so. Here we will write total salary and here we can write total employee. So guys, this way you can do the alias of your column. So here I am writing total employee. Good. So like guys, you can see this example. Now guys, we'll discuss a small things about the group by. So guys, this clause performs two tasks. Eliminate duplicates and always arrange the data in ascending order. So guys, it will be avoid the duplicate and only ascending order data it will arrange. Next guys, the column used in group by clause, the same column can be used for displaying the out. Next guys, when multiple columns are used, it will eliminate if all columns are contain duplicates. Guys, if you will utilize the multiple columns and those are having the duplicates, that also it will eliminate. So now guys, we'll see the example. So guys, select sum of cell, comma, count star from EMP group by department number. If you want to display the department number, so another query you can like the same way. So in starting, just you have to show this. So guys, the same example here you can see it. Now guys, this is the similar examples I have written by the question and that I have given it. So for your information, so guys, display DPT number, total salary, number of employees related to the department number. So guys, I have written the query select DPT number, sum of cell means here we can write as the total salary and count start as the total employee or number of employee where department number equal to 20. Like for example, I will write it here salary total salary and here we can write as you can also write it total employee. So guys, you can write like this way, so it will be show you the column name as well. So guys, here we can see department another 20, here total salary. So guys, whatever the case you will write it, na same it will display here. So that for the example, just I'm writing it here. And now guys, here total employee at the 5, that is also same. So hope guys you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.